Halo guys, selamat malam semuanya. Welcome to the podcast yang ketiga. Wah, nggak kerasa ya kita udah podcast yang ketiga nih guys. Terima kasih semuanya yang udah hadir di podcast malam hari ini. Jadi sebelum kita mulai, gimana nih kabar kalian malam hari ini? Sehat semuanya? Ya mudah-mudahan sehat-sehat semuanya. Cukup yang sakit ini wallet kita aja guys. Karena ada pepatah kan, bersakit-sakit di bear market, bersenang-senang di bull market. Oh ya, kalau kalian lihat tadi postingan tadi siang ya dari Minjuk, kita bakalan ada giveaway spesial, bisa dibilang sangat spesial karena ini cuma ada satu guys, dan ini satu udah dipakai juga sama podcaster Jupiter luar ya kayak SEC gitu. Ini adalah jersey dari Jupiter Indonesia, limited edition, cuma satu. Jadi buat kalian yang nonton sampai habis, nanti ada kisi-kisinya, clue-nya di live kita malam hari ini. Jadi stay tune aja guys. Nah, jadi malam hari ini kita bakal ngapain sih? Jadi malam hari ini kita bakal ngobrol bareng sama Thomas dari Jupiter Academy. Nah, jadi nanti malam hari ini kita bakal ulik nih semua tentang Jupiter Academy. Jadi kalian mungkin ada pertanyaannya tentang Jupiter Academy itu apa, gimana, kegunaannya apa, keuntungannya apa, beneran ada reward dan lain-lain. Nanti kita bakal ulik sampai selesai bareng Thomas nanti malam hari ini. Jadi kalian wajib stay tune ya. Jadi tanpa berlama-lama guys, siapin dulu cemilan kalian, jadi kalian bisa nonton sambil nyemil juga, dan kita bakal belajar bareng dan cuan bareng malam hari ini di podcast kita malam hari ini guys. Jadi tanpa berlama-lama, let's welcome Thomas.
Thank you guys, happy to be here.
Hi Thomas.
Hi Thomas.
How are you?
We are good.
How are you?
Good. Hope you are good.
Good.
Yeah, I'm very good.
You must be busy, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, busy.
Welcome to the podcast, Thomas. What do you think about our name, the PodCats? You know,
I love
Jupiter is cat, right?
PodCats.
That's a very good name. I think the team is actually jealous. It's very nice.
We are super excited to have you here. So the next is Sabit will become our host.
All
right. Thank you, Al.
Thank you, Mas Sabit.
Yeah. Hi, Thomas. How are you today? How are you doing?
I'm very good. I'm very happy. Like we launched Academy recently. It's gone well for now, so all good.
Yeah. All right. That's cool. And so could you tell us a bit about yourself, and then what are you working on like at the moment, like behind the scene, with the Academy team?
Yes, right. So right now we just launched Jupiter Academy, if you haven't heard about it, like 1 or 2 weeks ago now. And it's been such a good launch so far. Like we've got like more than 10,000 users and around 40,000 lessons completed right now, and more started. But yeah, that's actually a good launch. We're very happy with the stats, and pretty much so far the feedback has been good. So we're happy with it, and we're always looking to have more lessons on the platform and more features coming soon. And yeah, I would be happy to discuss about this with you guys. First, we're open to have any feedback and to work on any feature, any content that people want to have on the platform. So we're very open. That's why I'm here today. I'm also taking part in many community initiatives. And we want to build this platform with all people all over the world, every community Jupiter has. And yeah, so far we're just trying to aggregate the feedback first and to align on what's next. But what I can say, we're already working on a few more lessons and a campaign that will come very, very soon.
Yeah.
That will be in partnership with the Jupiter Rewards for a new launch on Jupiter. And we're also working on community contributions. We're working on the sponsored invites. We're working on the localization of the platform, and maybe you can help us as well on this. We want to have more languages available on Jupiter Academy.
Okay. Wow, that's a lot of things, you know. Yeah. So I rewatched the your presentation, you know, in Lumpur, and then yeah, you started with like everyone can use Jupiter, even your grandma. So can your grandma use Jupiter now?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, your grandma always can use Jupiter, even without Jupiter Academy. That's the thing. But we're trying to make it easier for anyone to use it.
Mm,
I think the first start of the platform is mostly for beginners users who
yeah.
are already aware of Jupiter. Maybe
Mm.
not your grandma yet, but
Yeah.
you can
Yeah.
try to onboard her. Like
Mm.
the thing we want to offer with Academy
Mm.
is that usually you will have someone that already know Jupiter and want to onboard more people around him or
Mm.
her. And your friends, your family, you want them to try Jupiter,
Yeah.
but it's pretty hard if you just give the platform, you just give the link, the
Mm.
person will be kind of lost. So we want to have a gateway where you can send this person, you can maybe show this person some features, and then you can just tell the person to go through lessons and try to understand and experiment on the platform.
Okay. And then, so whose idea was it for Jupiter Academy? Like, was it your idea that you proposed it to the team, or it was one of the team members' idea and they invited you? Could you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, definitely. So first
Mm.
of all, I joined Jupiter in October. So
Okay.
it's been actually 6 months now. I joined Jupiter,
Mm-hmm.
and I was part of the RainFi acquisition. If you heard about it,
Yeah.
so I'm still working with the RainFi team. It's
Mm.
one of my main work at Jupiter. We're working on a Jupiter offer book that will be
Okay.
released very soon as well. And
Mm-hmm.
that's a lot of my job at Jupiter as well. But
Okay.
along this, in November, I think
Mm.
I already wanted to have something for education in crypto, and I think joining Jupiter was the opportunity for me to
Yeah.
have a great place to build something like this,
Mm.
because you have to get already an ecosystem of products to make it relevant for
Mm.
people. And so I just sent a paper of 3 or 4 pages to Meow and Cash at this time. And they told me, yeah, it's actually cool, and maybe we can start to build this. So I
Mm.
started on the side of Offerbook to work on Academy. But that was my idea initially, and then some people gave me ideas. Meow gave a lot of ideas on this,
Yeah.
and we worked together on this.
Mm.
And now everyone is starting to give some ideas because the platform is live. And I think it was just the start. I just gave the ignite for it, but then I want anyone to contribute to this, because the platform, if it's not built by people, I don't think it's going anywhere. Like, it's not a platform that will be finished. Like it will constantly evolve.
Yeah. Okay. And then in Katumpur, you gave us timeline for like Q1 and Q2. And I know it's just the first day of Q2, but yeah, I would love to ask like how close are we with the on-chain action, Thomas?
Right. So for on-chain actions, it actually depends on another team at Jupiter. So we're currently working on few infrastructure things to get a better consumer on the blockchain, like to basically gather all the information, like when you're doing a swap, when you taking part in Jupiter Land or any product of Jupiter, we need
Yeah.
to get this information in a simple way and unified way across all the products.
Mm.
So we're working with this team also to have something like that for us. So I think Q2 could be possible. It also depends on the priority we have, like maybe the localization, like new languages would be a priority. We have some partner campaigns that are coming, and sponsor invites and stuff like this. But we definitely want to have on-chain actions as soon as possible, I think, and maybe a sort of playground or something. But we need people to be able to try the products inside the lesson and to make it more interactive and not only an article and just a text.
Yeah. Totally agree with that. And I'm excited with the campaign and the sponsor things. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. And can you just walk us through Jupiter Academy, like show us, how to get started, how to do it, maybe some of the viewers, they haven't tried it.
Sure.
Mm.
Can do this. You will have the screen, I think.
Yeah.
Yes. So this is Jupyter Academy. Like if you go on academy.jup.ag, you land on this page first. Brian is the main host of the lessons right now. We have 3 lessons with videos included on a total of 21 lessons. So most of the lessons do not have a video yet, but we made the choice to release as soon as possible to get feedback and build with everyone. But more videos will be coming soon as well. So if you are on this page, you can just scroll. You'll see like a few Jupyter products lessons. You can view all by clicking on this button. You have the categories for lessons. We actually have 3 categories, which is product, safety, and fundamentals. Product is only about Jupyter products. We're not covering all of the Jupyter products right now, but we are still in the process to make it. So we have a lot of products actually. That's quite a huge work. So I think we have like 9 product lessons right now. Some of them are covering, like 3 of them are covering Jupyter Land, which is one of the most complex products we have. And you have Jupyter Portfolio, Jupyter Global, and this. Safety is more about phishing, how to protect your keys and stuff like that. And fundamentals about how the blockchain works and things like what is a wallet and stuff like that. Here you can retrieve the latest lessons. You also have the glossary that you can access on the navbar or from here. There is some terms that you can explore. We will add more in time. And sponsored invites is something that is coming soon. It's like something like a gift card that you can send to your friends. So think about like you just fund up a card, and instead of going directly to Jupyter Mobile, for example, they can go through Academy, just take 5 minutes to understand about Jupyter, and then they can claim your USDC. And community contribution is very important. Like we really want to tell people that we want them to help us on writing lessons, and so update lessons, review lessons. So we're already working with few contributors. Olia know about this, and yes, we want people to help build the content base, and also soon to have more languages. To see something like a lesson, you can go in lessons, you can sort here, you will retrieve all the lessons we have with also the level. Don't be afraid by the level, like you can basically do anything. I think for now, it's just about some products are more advanced or intermediate, but you can still go through. And if we take a lesson, you'll be able to see it, just read the content. You have some glossary terms that you can over to see what does it mean directly into the lesson. And at the end of this, you can take a quiz. And so when you take a quiz, like you can answer the questions, and at the end of the questions, you will earn some experience. You can complete it. What is validated? Yep. And so if you complete the quiz, you'll see we are earning XP in the top right, and then you can level up. And right now, I think the max level is level 9, and some people already got it.
I personally, I personally love the glossary, because I can just click on the words that it's not familiar yet for me, and I can read the explanation.
Nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Like we don't understand what's this. We can just put our cursor and we can see it. What's that? The explanation, and everything. I love it so much. And then I see that you said there will be another language available, right? Is that in a kind of title, or maybe like maybe Indonesian version, something like that, or what kind of?
So the localization, we're still thinking about it. For now, we're thinking about having some primary languages and first focus on this. we probably will go with Chinese and Spanish first,
Mm-hmm.
which are two of the most interesting languages because there is a lot of people and they do not speak English widely.
Mm-hmm.
I think Indonesian is one of the language we can target also next.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is, we also want to have someone behind, like an ambassador or something. So when we will localize the lessons, it would be good to have like an author, contributor behind this with a real name, someone that you can just ask, like, I didn't understand this. Maybe you can understand on Discord or anywhere.
All right. So the ambassador will be like Brian, the one who's speaking, or something like that.
No, not really. I think Brian is for the base lessons, but we could have like a different author for each language then.
Okay.
Or it will be a co-author. Maybe we have to see how it will be. Like it could be co-authored by Brian because Brian wrote the base of the lesson, but then we can have a second author, like a localized author.
All right. And then we see that there's coming soon. We can give feedback, and if we want to make a content regarding Jupiter Academy, for now, if we want to give feedback or anything, what can we do for now and in the next phase?
Yes, so if you want to give feedback for now, you have a button in the footer of the website. You'll find it under socials. There is feedback and bug report. It will go through a Zendesk form, basically, and you can fill the form and the Burst team will get back to us. But we're also implementing very soon into the lessons directly a feedback button that you'll be able to just send, I didn't understand this. Can you add something about this feature or something? And you can just send it in one click, basically, from the Jupyter Academy without leaving the website. And next, after that, we will have like probably, I don't know, in 2 weeks, 1 month, community contribution hub, where we want people to be able to easily fill edits and submit new lessons. But right now, if you want to contribute to Academy, it's already possible. I'll give the link if you want to share it. We have Academy content repository on GitHub, which is open source already. But I understand as well it's a bit technical for some people to use GitHub. So this is why we want to have the contribution hub that will make this automatically. So it will still go through GitHub to make a change request, but you'll not have to go to GitHub to make it. It will be directly into Academy.
All right. Okay, so if you want to make a content regarding Jupyter Academy's lessons, is it possible, right? Like maybe there's a lot of content creator here in Indonesia who want to cover about Jupyter, but they don't have resources. And now there's Jupyter Academy. Is that okay for us to use Jupyter Academy as our resource to make content in Indonesian, something like that?
So the question is for now, like for the official lessons, we need to cover some subjects already. There is already some people covering some subjects right now. They're writing on it. So maybe it's good to reach out to us first and to see. For now, it's like mostly a close group. We try to work with people to see what is needed for the right now. So I don't want people to work like and then there is already someone who made it, so it's not relevant. But it should be available for anyone to propose a contribution. Cannot say that it will be approved or not. Maybe we'll ask some change. And if the lesson already exists, we cannot approve it for now. But maybe it could be interesting in the future to have like some lessons that you can host yourself, and maybe it's not pushed directly into the lessons base, official base, but you can still share it. There is many things we can think about on this.
All right. And then we see about the referral system. So like we can send USDC from us to send our friends to use Jupyter Academy, right? It's using universal send. And what should we do to get the money? So if I send it to you and you have to complete the lessons and then you will get the money or something.
So do you know Jupyter Send already? I think so. Yeah.
We can
So-
just click. Mhm.
Yeah, so this is exactly the same as Jupiter Send. We're using Jupiter Send. It's just something on top of Jupiter Send to make it more friendly and going through Academy, like a personalized invite. So we're still working on the onboarding process for the user you invite, but we don't want to get the USDC too long. So if the person has to complete 5 lessons to get the USDC, I don't think it's a good way. So it will basically be just a page. You arrive and you'll have like in 5 minutes you should be good. Like just read about some stuff. What is Jupiter? What you can do with Jupiter? You can swap. You can earn yield. Then okay, I understand. Then claim my USDC. And then you can go through other lessons and complete lessons if you want.
All right. So because I thought we have to complete some lessons and pass the quiz, and then we get the USDC, but it's not right.
I don't think so. Yeah, because we don't want to make
Complete.
people like feel like they cannot claim the money because they have to complete something and they cannot they don't know how to complete it. So I think it should be fast to claim the USDC, but then we guide you directly through the lessons to understand what you can do then with this USDC, because you already got money, so you're happy. And then now, what can I do? Like, how can I use Jupiter Land to make yield on this money? How can I buy my first meme coin or something to see how it goes? And then you can just check your wallet daily, like it's going up, it's going down. So it's the thing, like we just want you to have some money, play with it, and then track daily what happens and just experiment.
I see. That's cool. Can't wait to see this happen. I will refer my mom, my sister, my friends.
Yeah, that's the idea, definitely. Like we just want to give a better onboarding for people.
That would be awesome.
That'd be awesome, right?
Yeah.
So Thomas, what kind of impact of result you have seen so far?
What kind of what? Sorry.
Impact or result have you seen so far from Jupiter Academy?
The impact?
Yes.
So right now, just so like I think it's quite the beginning, so it's hard to say like how it will impact people. We're still looking at it, but for now, so far, people have been entertained about it. Like I saw like a lot of people completed all the lessons, like more than 1,000, 1,500 maybe now. I don't know, and yeah, I think I cannot really say about the impact right now. We have to wait and to see how it goes, but definitely we want to drive more traffic across all the products of Jupiter. That's thing, like right now, so many users are just using a swap or just using perps, and they don't know about all the products we shipped. Like there is a lot. Offerbook is one of them coming soon. Like we want to also teach people how it will work because it's a complex product. Jupiter Land is the complex product as well. So this is the impact we want to make.
Yes. And I finished this Jupiter Academy, and now I have level 9. Is it the
Yeah.
highest level, right?
It's the highest level right now with the
Nine.
with the lessons available. Yeah, but there will be more. There will be achievements, and we will add more stuff.
Yes, I think a lot of people in Indonesia already reached the level 9 for now.
Yeah,
Because
yeah. True.
I made a post about it, and some people give screenshot about the level in the comment section. I think a lot of
Yeah.
Indonesian.
Yeah, I saw this. Like there is a lot of people who completed everything. Like, yeah.
Yeah, it's a fun way to learning, right?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
really fun.
So Thomas, what's next for Jup Academy?
So as I said, like we'll have like a new campaign really soon with a partner of Jupiter. There will be a little incentive, I think, on this probably. Not a direct reward, but it will be a boost, kind of. And then we'll have the sponsored invites coming soon, the community contribution hub, more glossary terms, more lessons, more videos across existing lessons as well, and new languages, as I said.
It's
Yes.
cool.
That's cool. So do you see it's expanding to offline event like maybe you go to university or workshop like that?
Yeah, you mean for
Is it
the
possible in the future?
physical events?
Yeah.
Yes, physical events.
So actually, yes, we're open to this, but I think the best would be to have like a community initiative on that, and so that anyone can just take Jupyter Academy and share it with people locally and teach them about Jupyter. So for now, we don't have like a proper plan for this initiative, but if you want to do something, if you want to help us, like we're definitely open, we can talk, and I think that's a good way. Like that's why we do sponsored invites and everything. Like we're just giving a tool, and we want people to help improve it, and we want people to have something to be able to spread the word about Jupyter crypto and how it works. So we give the platform, we give the foundation, and then you can help us to spread the word and to improve it.
See.
Yeah, I think Jupyter Academy is one of the best way to onboard the new people to Web3. Because
Thank
it's
you.
very easy to learn in the Jupyter Academy. Also, it's like a game. So we have level 1, 2, 3, 4, and 7 until 9. It's a very fun way to learning Web3,
Yeah,
especially Jupyter Jupyter ecosystem.
Yeah, that's what we want, and I think Jupyter is like is it the good company to make this, because we have like so many products covering all the DeFi aspects. So it would be harder in other projects to do this, because we have like prediction markets, we have the perps, we have the swaps, we have the portfolio, we have the wallet. You kind of like can just use Jupyter for anything you want to do in DeFi. So for someone really new to crypto, it's easier. Like you can just trust Jupyter, learn about how the products works, and then you can stay in this ecosystem and do pretty much everything you need for learning about crypto.
Mm-hmm.
That's awesome. One last question, Thomas. What one thing you want to people to understand about Jupyter?
Good question. Like actually, I want them to understand like they can own their money. I think it's a big problem. Like in many parts of the world, like in I live in Indonesia as well, and I saw this problem. Like many people struggle to get paid from another country. They struggle to pay to another bank account. Like if I want to pay someone in Indonesia, it's complex and everything. Crypto basically kill all these barriers. You can get money from anywhere and send money anywhere. You can own your yield and stuff like this as well. You have strategies. You can now pay by card with Jupyter Global. I don't think it's available yet in Indonesia, but it should be very soon. And there is a QR code payment. There is everything. So basically, I think it's the best way to have to handle your money, to manage it, and to find more opportunities. So yeah, I think it's very useful, and I want people to understand how useful it can be. It's not just about trading meme coins. It's very good. You can make money with this, but there is way more. Like crypto is very important for many people, and I think they have to realize it.
I see.
Nice, very nice. So the conclusion is just use Jupyter, right?
Yes, just use Jupyter and just use Academy. Yeah.
Yeah, that's very cool.
Thomas, do you have a closing statement to Indonesian who watching this podcast today?
They have what? Sorry.
Do you have closing statement to
Closing
Indonesians who
Yeah,
watching
yeah,
this?
And maybe add some Indonesian word a little.
Yeah, that will be awesome.
It's sad. I'm still learning, but I don't know if I can say in Indonesian.
Halo, maybe halo, something like that. Halo,
Halo,
selamat.
apa kabar?
Wah, that's cool. Okay.
Selamat sore.
Yeah, that's good. Okay.
Yeah.
Your closing statement, Thomas.
Ya, sampai jumpa on Academy.
Ya. Sampai jumpa ya. Sampai jumpa nanti ya.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really cool.
All right. Thank you so much for your time, Thomas.
Thank
that you
you.
have to you here.
Terima kasih.
Maybe we'll see you soon, right?
Yeah, my pleasure.
Maybe in a offline event or something like that. Jupiter event. Maybe Jupiter will make an event in Indonesia, and we can
Why
meet.
not?
All right, Thomas. Thank you very much for your time today.
Thank you, guys. Really happy to be there. Very interesting.
Thank you so much, Thomas. See
Bye,
you.
Thomas.
Bye-bye.
See you soon.
See you. Bye.
Bye.
Oke, guys. Jadi begitu, guys, podcast malam hari ini, guys. Mudah-mudahan bisa ya menjawab semua pertanyaan kalian tentang Jupiter Academy. Gitu kan. Apa itu? Tadi udah banyak tuh yang dibahas di sana. Tapi kalau kalian masih kurang paham, nanti komen aja di kolom komentar. Jadi nanti bisa kita jawab pertanyaan kalian yang mungkin dari kalian tuh ada beberapa yang paham bahasa Inggris atau something dari apa yang kita omongin, nanti tinggal komen aja di kolom komentar. Dan yang terakhir untuk cara memenangin giveaway jersey dari Jupiter Indonesia itu gimana? Nah, jadi caranya kalian pertama visit Jupiter Academy. Webnya adalah academy.ju. Nanti bakalan dikasih tahu linknya di postingan. Terus kalian selesai semaksimal mungkin ya semua lessonnya. Jadi ada beberapa lesson di sini. Kalian selesaiin semua, nanti kalian tunjukin tuh level kalian sudah sampai level berapa sih di kolom komentar. Jadi kalian screenshot, kalian selesaiin semua pelajarannya di situ. Jadi kan kalau kalian selesaiin pelajaran itu dapat ya experience ya EXP, kayak main game itu, nanti semakin banyak lesson yang kalian kerjain itu semakin tinggi XP kalian. Nah, minimal persyaratannya level 5, guys ya. Ini kan level 9 nih maksimal nih. Kalau nyelesain semua, tapi kan gue tahu ya kalian mungkin waktunya nggak banyak atau gimana gitu. Ya minimal level 5 aja. Terus saya level 5, terus screenshot hasil XP level kalian. Terus upload di kolom komentar. Nanti salah satu orang yang beruntung kita bakal kirim ke dia gitu. Dan tenang aja, ongkirnya semua gratis dari Sabang sampai Merauke, dimanapun selama di wilayah Indonesia kita bakal kirim jersey-nya ke kalian. Soalnya kemarin udah kan, kemarin tuh udah ya sama jersey udah pada diterima. Alright guys, jadi gitu aja untuk podcast kita malam hari ini guys. Terima kasih sudah nonton sampai selesai. Mohon maaf kalau ada salah-salah kata atau ucapan. Sampai jumpa di podcast selanjutnya. Selamat malam guys. Bye-bye.